Austinus, and today we're building ships and putting them to the test.
Wait. This is our rescue guy. I'm CA, the thumbnail. We're having a challenge.
I'm CA, Shooting Cows SC.
And look at our dive character.
This is our
Like if any of our ships sink, that's coming to get us. That's freaking scary. Imagine that coming out the front window of your boat.
Okay, hope you enjoy the video. And here it is.
Sail!
Okay, now we're doing this boat.
The CA boat.
It's called the CA boat.
CA. This thing, see that red part in the back? It took forever to use this thing to get it out. Literally.
This is the Lego remover, and it took forever to wedge it out. Okay, so come on. Yes!
No! The SC boat failed.
It's a winner.
Failed. It's driving around.
Okay, now
The Mario guy.
I want to save you just in case.
No, give him a ride. Give him a ride. You're saving him.
Don't worry, I'll save you. Oh, the water is so cold. Wait, he needs to, Mr. Fat, extra fat Mario. He sunk my boat.
He's too fat. He sunk your boat.
The fat guy sunk my boat.
Oh, dear, the fat guy.
Okay.
Why is he a diver? He's too fat to even swim.
Wait. Watch this.
Fail. He dived off your boat.
He back. Oh my god.
Okay.
Sail.
So we're gonna be sailing. Moment of truth. No, we'll see. My leg.
Slowly in. Slowly in. Wait, let me just.
Instantly fails.
Sail.
Wait, let's see if the guy comes off. If the guy comes off, it works.
Okay, we're now gonna put it in again.
Without the guy. No, it's too
No,
heavy.
it's too heavy.
Help me.
Yeah, he's gonna help.
Yeah.